Barry toast fan. Come on. Them boys them over there and I'm hunt for some parts. Get me? And the van section. You get me? But we don't want to go up no more. Yeah. Big scrapyard. Check it, people. Check it. Big scrapyard. Boys them over there hunting, yeah man. You see the boys them over there hunting, yeah man. Check it out. There. Understand? Check on me, people. Literally, me just filming anyway. But, no, whatever. Can't do me nothing anyway. So, I'm just gonna do what I feel like for now. Check it out, people. Remember for like, share, and subscribe, people. Yeah? Anyway, me go hunting. Catch you in our next video. Peace. Yes, people. I'm out here in the scrapyard, you understand? Yes, I'm in the scrapyard. Check out what we got in the scrapyard, you understand? Bridging in there. Yes. Man, it's just good for the scrapyard too. Me just like this. So me just for the scrapyard, me come a scrapyard. Yeah? So look, check it out. Big cars them have over here. Let me show you like a preview. Get me? Big scrapyard still. Check them out. It beer engine. Beer cars though. Check it, beer cars. Everywhere you look. Check it. Look people, parts here for Civic. Bonnet, wing, door, drums, but people don't use drum no more. Boot. Yeah man. Engine. Wanna look too good. But one thing I place here, the place always getting care. Always getting care. So next week you come back, you probably not see them care here again. Corsa. Check it people, engine. Beer engine, that's a nut dog. Get me, just rebuild whatever you want for rebuild pan and change up whatever you want for change up for make it start. Gearbox, look. Everything. Out here not dog people. You get me? Your gearbox mash up. It's coming from a gearbox. Cheap. Cheap. Yes people, I'm back. Yeah, Shana is your boy, I'm back, yeah. With another epic build. Yes, we are check my bridging, Mr. Willie, you understand? Because yeah, we say we're going to do little mad spot. So let's step forward and see what I got. You understand? I'm going to show you what I got around here. We don't play around here, you understand? Come in. Yes. What nothing? T-Sport. Mad conversion. You understand? Come as a natural Yaris. Now, bigger engine in there. But you pull the bonnet and show them what I go on now. Yes. Works for Master Willie. You understand me? The heart they come out of the shell here. Check it. You understand? Yeah. Man out here work hard. So when we do the works, check it out. Right now we're going to the garage. Get everything well up. We got a pipe we get from the scrapyard. Master Willie show them the pipe we got still. You know? Scrapyard built big man. We no ramp out here. We take cheap things and make big power. Stay tuned. Hey bit? Yeah man. See the big pipe? Yeah man. We'll end up on it in a minute. Yeah. I go to the welding shop now, get them off well on that. So people, stay tuned. Yeah? More pipe, watch out. You know? No more than 5 pence and 10 pence and so we live, you know? Stay tuned people. Yes bro. We out here. Yeah man, we out here. Check it. Yeah man. Out here, keep tuned, stay tuned, we out here blood. Yes people, we reach the welding man. So I will sit down and wait for the man to say when I have to come in. Yeah man. See Master Willie. Yeah, Master Willie out there. Yeah man. So yeah man, stay tuned. When we reach the welding shop, you're gonna know about it. Yeah, stay tuned people. Out here, yeah? Remember to like, share and subscribe. Yes people, look what we bump into. Yeah, big machine. Yeah man. Big thing. Check it out people. Yeah man. Machine there. Look, plenty more machine there. Look. Yeah man, the man them have machine. Check it out people. Man them have machine around here, look. Big boy things. Yeah man, check it. Big boy things over here, no? Wild over here, look. Machine. Man, they have machine inside. Yeah, show a little preview what the man them do. Bodyworks man still, yeah? So the man them have machine, big machine I put down. You see me? When the man them fix it up, you look at the one me just show you just now. You see me? Yes people. We out here. Doing what you have to do now. Keep it real. See the man them logo? Man the logo look wicked. Check the bumper big people. Yeah man. Is that a modified silica steel wheel in that? Yeah man. You might try myself or? No, you got guys to do that. What? Yeah. Alright, nice. We just do body and mechanical work. Oh, okay. Big shadow, base. You came on the wrong day. Should have come yesterday. Yeah. What was it yesterday?
We got quite a few supers, innit?
Oh, yeah.
We do like, yeah, we got some too.
The last time I came, you had a different super. What color was it?
Which one?
You had a gold with a PR2.
Yeah, Mark 1. Yeah, we got that.
Machine people, me tell you. Check out the inside look. Yeah man. Clean. Let me see if I can open it though. I don't mind, but yeah man, check it. Big boy machine, you know. See the sparks on the road? Take off your paint, people. Yeah man. Stay tuned. We out here.
So That's the only one I've got at the minute.
What about injectors?
Injectors, I've got might have a set of 440s. I've not got nothing like IE.
Yeah, 440s alright, yeah. That's good enough.
I mean, that's what we run in the super, so then we upgrade them, so we take them out.
Big boy machine. Check it, people. Check it. Yes, people, we're at the welding shop. Back them there. Car ready to go up on the ramp. Not ready, but they done go up on the ramp. Yeah, as you can see, a real welding shop. Beer pipes all over. Weak job. Get me? So we don't have time to clean up. So we do what we have to do. Check out what we have to do. See, no pipe on the date there. No worry about that rat spot. We're going to sort out that way. So get the pipe under the car. You get me?
I want to just weld this one here, yeah?
Check what my bed you want to do still.
And then we got these bends. So if you cut that one and then try to bend it back this way. But I want to change this one here. Put this one. I want to take that one. You got nuts and bolts? You got nuts and bolts for the
for the which one?
to bolt the dung pipe.
How many I got? Hello?
No, do it.
Yeah, man. So basically, what happens, you have to like change this dung pipe because we can different manifold and then the bolt them with. When you bolt in, so you line different, innit? So I have to cut out this here. But obviously, we can different manifold and this match straight. Boom, straight in.
And you walk?
Yeah, go up, man.
Say nothing then.
I just need 2 nuts on board now. So my man have 2 nuts on board. And yeah.
Yeah, ready, yeah?
You know what I mean?
Stay tuned, people. We're out here doing what you have to do. Remember, yeah, to like, share, and subscribe, people. We're here, watch we, and do what we have to do. Straight from Scrapyard, straight from the ramp, straight from the bill. That's what we do.
Hey?
You wanna talk real welding as well?
Yeah, I done that already. I catch you doing it, bro. Them my big man show me some wheels as well, so tell me what you do to them wheels, the big man. big man stand up some wheels there, try to get them prep up. See, that's how big man do it. Quick, fast, neat. Check it, people. You know, I have to do a little grind up, sand down, everything good. One broken rim, fix back. People, the wheels look nice, innit? Deep dish. Beamer wheels. Yeah man, they got machine out here still. Back in the shop.
Is it too small for empty people?
What?
This one.
That?
This one for the empty.
Not really.
Round thing.
That good man.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, people.
Stick on the angle like that. Oh.
We do the mad conversion for the exhaust, yeah. You see me? So stay tuned. And we out here wild like crocodile and everything else. People watch a little boy up there, you know? Little boy get a big exhaust for your fitter. You know? Yeah, man. Stay tuned. Trust me, stay tuned. You'll see what me out to, you know? What we get up to, when we get up to it. We're not hiding nothing out here, people. Wild people. Yes, people. Exhaust done a well up here, so check it, people. Check it. Yeah, man. Check it, people. Out here. Boys, what we got to say? Wild out here, ain't it? Yeah, man. Say, Bookie. Yeah, man. Stay tuned, people. Make back for like, share, and subscribe over here. Understand that, people? We out here doing we. Say that again, big man. I don't want to go away. Scrapyard turbo that.
Yes,
But when I say Scrapyard turbo, I'm saying good. I want brand new turbo, but I want eBay turbo and mama never want to.
Scrapyard, this is like it's like
Get me?
I want welding shop.
Yeah. You say, oh, chop shop. No, you said chop shop. You use the right word. Sorry, the chop shop.
Yeah. And man say, boy, you know what I mean?
Hold on, panda.
Hold on upon that.
You don't want that. You take that now.
Why does the man you don't want that? Man,
I rate it now. What you say with the start black?
Out here, brother. Wild style. Stay tuned.
Yo, Shabby.
Shana.
Alright, stay tuned then, you get me? All the way in, you get me?
Wild out here, people. Stay tuned. Yeah, man. Yes, people. Still out here, you know. Do what we have to do. Machine done put the exhaust on. So, yeah. Got a few more things to do today. So yeah, man, stay tuned. See what we deal with. Boys, I'm rolling, you know. Yeah, man, one by one. You rain, people, you know. England hours of rain. Me tell people, you know, England hours of rain. You rain again. Yeah, man. Stay tuned, people. Man, still over here, you understand? Wild out here, people. We still out here. Other brethren are rolling. Like big boy, him. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Peace, people out here still. Stay tuned.
Shan TV, you know, Shan I.
They dry.
Mm.
Yeah.
Inside the car. You know what you should do? Forget it dry. Put on the heat in the car and put it on the mat. And you dry. man. Yeah, I said to the people,
Out here, people, try one little thing, try darken up two back glass. Yeah, man. Out here. Tell them what about big man.
Braid the glass, you know what I mean? Braid the brake light, feel the rolling.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
silent. Big up yourself, man. One love. Boy.
You know, we call this one, we call this one Linny Customs. You get me?
Linny Customs, eh?
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Tim, they dry the light, them innit?